welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. Today we've got a Mercedes C63, what we're fitting our Armytrix exhaust to it. Right, now the car's up in the air, we're about to start to remove the old exhaust for the new one to go on. We're replacing cut back, so it's from here all the way backwards. Stay tuned and we'll get the new one on for you. Now the exhaust is off, I just wanted to show you the difference between the stock exhaust and the new Armytrix exhaust. The new Armytrix exhaust will provide a 15.3 horsepower increase, which is a 17.4 torque increase, and it's a lot lighter by 4.8 kilograms. Let's get it on the car.
Does that make sense?
Just finished fitting the exhaust. Just wiring up the electronics and the vacuum.
Nobody can fit one of these.
Right, now the exhaust is all fitted, we're going to run the car up with the valves open and the valves closed, see what it sounds like.